Walton on the Matchday vlog. Liverpool Ipswich. Brand new to the Premier League, Ipswich. Vamos, Ipswich. So then, give that first game of the season, Everton versus Brighton. What scores do you reckon it'll be?
I reckon it's going to be a tight game, and I reckon it's going to be a 1-0 to Everton.
I've gone the same, 1-0 for the exact reason. Although I'm not happy with the fact that our new signings like O'Brien, fucking Ndai, Lindstrom have been benched. And Michael Keane starting, I'm baffled with that, to be honest with you. Our new signings deserve a start. So I don't know what's going on there. Well, an explanation of Dyche if he's not even anyway. Because yeah, I thought they should be starting bar Keane, but it's what it is. Just hopefully we can put a good performance in. I for once I'm early. Yeah. Belted that we're all back. Goodison Park for the last season. I do think we'll draw or win. Be one of them. 1-0 to us or 1-1 I reckon. Got mixed feelings about it, genuinely. Yeah, seeing our Sean walking past top bloke. What the fuck's happening with these queues? Queues come from everywhere. We're back. New season. Final season at Goodison. Cheese pie as well. We roast them out. 1-0 Everton prediction. Oh, what a display that is. Look off. Everton. 1-1. 1-1. Everton's a team that plays beautiful football. 1-1. 1-1. Everton's a team that plays beautiful football. Come on. Cheese, man. It's like more custard than anything else. And I put tomato sauce on, isn't it? There's that cop item midfield, Milner. Winter is playing for Brighton, and we were after at the start of the window. Nervous that he'll score against us. And the youngest manager in the Premier League, fucking for Brighton there. So, Manchester one. One out, some lad. Oh! Come on! Very good. Come on! Brilliant! Look at the ball! Checking it anyway. Oh, so sorry, give it off. Checked in my arse. What's the start? Really good go so far. Come on. One. Yes. No! No way! He's a diving prick, Joe Pedro. Toffees just put his hands on his back and he died. Well, Toffees gives the ball away. I don't know what Toffees doing. I mean, he taps him on the back. And he's got that still moaning on the penalty. Just get up, get fucking dive and punch. Fuck off, Pedro, you twat! It's been a cracking start, like 4-0. Both fucking Everton and Brighton off. Giving Brighton a good go, and they're giving us a good go. What the fuck's going on? Get it out. Well in, come on. Fuck's sake. Super get, super get, example. Super get, super get, example. Everton instead of England plays really well. That's the thing, they've got very pacey players, got Pedro, Mitoma, that Minter, whatever his name is. Welbeck's good as well, that's like stuff. Brighton are a good team, I go forwards, and we need to maintain it like we have at the moment, but us going forwards, we look good. I'm really impressed with the start we made. Very, really, really good so far. Unlucky with the offside goal, and you know, it was offside, and I want to look at that. I'm really good. Oh, that was still. Hey. We actually up for fuck's sake. I'm actually almost scared to put a fucking foot in. Come on, lads. Every see them so far, he's so good. Eager to win the ball, eager to go forward. This man is going to be something special. That's clean, that's the sample one. Get into him. Slip and slash it, for fuck's sake. Oh. We're not milling that fucking hell. Some sort of back, he'll pass it on, you know. Just goes against tackled, goes for a month. That's not deserved at all, absolutely not. Fucking, we've dominated, we've gone forward. Brighton look dangerous when they go forward, they take their chances and all that, but we've been better, so much better. Shite to the back, need Brandthwaite back urgently, man. Why do we just play Keane over O'Brien? I don't fucking know. How easy. Fuck off at the bend! How hard is he? Fuck's sake, just back off your man all the fucking time. Ball here. Yeah, only one call back. That's all the call they can't go over the field all game for them. Lazy twats. Being offsides all the time. God, that was all. That's about the 4th, 5th time this game today. Do you not understand the rule? Can't balloon every time last season. That was the core he's doing it now. How hard is it to stay on side? Right, Harrison starts over and I don't understand. He's slow as fuck, this Harrison. I'm not the biggest fan of him, like I said. I don't know why we're fucking signed him again. It's all the sign, that one. That decision is just fucking woeful, that. So never ever foul. Never in a million years. What was that? Shit referee yet again. We haven't played bad, we just need to work on going forward a little bit and have time to the back. When Brandthwaite's back, we'll be alright. But with Michael Keane at the back, not no fucking who. That's why you should have played fucking Jake O'Brien. I don't know, I want to listen to the explanation of Dyche for this. Very do. We've been good at some moments. We're losing a lot of stupid positions, there we go. Minter. Just get it out. Stick your foot in! Way! yeah. We've been alright going forward, just need to, I don't know, just be better in front of goal, I suppose. We had that gobshite Bruther before, when there wasn't even a foul. Choker. Come on. Oh, fuck's sake. Someone run at it, at least. Piss off. Hey, little cop like rats. Run with it. What are we doing better there? Michael and Court. On Timlers. He's offside again. Get onside, stupid. Always offside. Yeah, that was a foul before, for something a lot less. Yeah, Harley Townsend, because he's fucking acting as if he's been fucking shot dead by a fucking sniper. No, mate, you're not Donald Trump. Get the fuck up. Fucking Donald Trump sniper's not fucking got you. And he's acting as if he has. Fucking pissed, eh? Sitting on the floor, so the referee goes, oh yeah, it wasn't a penalty because you're injured, just get on with it. It's stupid, that. Absolutely cleans him straight out. How was that on a pen? Oh, good touch. Knock it in now. It's like because he's fucking injured as well. Once again. Maybe onside, fucking rule. Yes, again, man. How many fucking times I can't put on that? He's a couple up him to corner at the moment, but he's been no good recently at all. He's off the pace. 1-0 down at the time. I don't think we played bad. I'll give you an opinion in a minute. Just had to calm down a little bit, mate. I don't think we played bad at all. We played alright. It's annoying, it really is, because we've been a better team. Brighton have been alright. They've looked able to go forward themselves, but so have we. I just think the referee's been shite, and the fact that we made a few dodgy passes that we shouldn't have done, but still a second half to go. I'm going to go 1-1 now. Definitely Cuba back me. Cheat. Some quality half-time entertainment. Mika Richards, I it. Bellew and Yakubu. Good half-time entertainment now. Let's have some real good entertainment in the second half. Because we've been good. Just need to take a few chances and have them. Because yeah, having been bad. Just very frustrating, to be honest with you. Because we don't deserve to be 1-0 down. Yeah, I think he's made a meal of that Calvin a little bit actually. If there's a connection, it's got to be a pen, but when he touched his there, yeah. It's not going to screen, it's not going to get given early. What everyone's said, there's no wide screen, always by the away fans and fucking home fans there, it's just ridiculous. Come on, as look at this, Martin Calvin should stop fucking shoot anyway, beforehand or whatever, instead of making a meal of it. Doesn't have to dive on the floor like that. Yeah, fuck off. Prick.
Shut yourself.
That's what he should have done. I don't know why he felt the need to. There's always a need to go down, but fucking. Oh, it's ridiculous. Just take your shot, you fucking soft bastard. Like, it looked like he was going down before he even got touched. I mean, got a lot of respect for Brighton and the mates with you with their fans and all that. I think they're a great team, Brighton. I don't mean to fucking be nice, but passion gets the best of me and all that. It's really, really annoying this game so far. Oh, he's back up now. It's our ball up then anyway, so. You're right now, aren't you, you fucking fairy? His name should be Veltman, it should be Meltman. It should fucking melt. Come on. Oh. Come on, Everton! White, hasn't he? Said he wants to make the run, like. He's like the only one who's committed to get the ball. He's brilliant. Well and Timmy off. Shocking out to get the ball away like that. Oh, piss off! Fucking stupidly get the ball away and Danny Welbeck's made it too. Terrible giveaway. Shit scared to make the sub as well. Unbelievable. Fuck's sake. Slow backwards football. Oh, fucking hell. Give it! What are you doing, you knobhead? So fucking slow. I think we're losing, would you? No one ever is forward, that's the problem with us. Get him gone! Fuck off, young lad! You fucking shitbag!
Oh my God, he's sent
You're fucking shit! Why the fuck we still trust him? I don't fucking know. He's a liability. Every fucking time he's giving a ball away and fucking loses it. The stupid pass to Matoma. Goes on, why the fuck would you like him like that? Fucking prick. How easy this is, though. What is this, mate? thing is, it's like the 70th minute of the game. Dyche will need one sub. He never knows how to use the subs ever, this man. Fucking what's the name on the bench? Lindstrom, all them players. O'Brien, why is O'Brien still not on the pitch? You know what I mean? I'm not trying to sound stupid, I didn't put O'Brien in fucking that position. We go into the season fucking not looking for the left and right back. All fucking needs one. It's ridiculous. They're making more sense than us, and yeah, they're 2-0 up with an extra man. Beto's on the bench to put on. Lindstrom's on the bench to put on. You've got other players on the bench. Armstrong looks very good. No, just don't fucking make a fucking change. You're taking a piss, which is the balance too hard. I don't blame you. Because second half Marty do deserve the win. It's so much better second half playing, and we deserve it, can't lie. Make a sub, does he? What another one there? So he made 2 subs in the whole game. But Lindstrom on the bench as well. Yeah, keep him off, you know what I mean? Put him alone, he's impressed in pre-season, just keep him off the pitch. That's exactly what Dyche is fucking acting like at the moment. Like Beto's press, isn't he? No one line. So from fucking 70 odd, 80 odd minutes to fucking sing football in a library. Wow. Casual shit football chance. Fuck's sake. Stupid giveaway again. Oh, what a bit. Giving the ball away fucking stupidly all the time. Oh no. Everyone was kicking it there as well. Oh. There's no one up there. There's nobody up there. 2-0 down, you need to have like a striker up there, don't you? That's the thing. Exactly that. You need to have a few players up there, whether you're 2-0 down, whatever. You need to have someone there to have the ball to from trying to attack. No counter-attack abilities whatsoever. Why are you putting Holgate on? You've actually taken a piss. That is inexcusable. That is absolutely horrific. What the fuck is Dyche doing? I don't care if he's in the other defender on the pitch. That's horrendous. You need to go forward and like next to him on the pitch. How are we doing that? Fuck's sake. Oh no. This is just embarrassing. What do I even make of this? Too many weird things. It's fucking embarrassing. Wait. There's someone at the end of the road here now, but you got to put Holgate on, it'll be 3 or 4-0. It's 3-0 now. You know what I mean? Put him on, like you're putting no one on, it's like an invisible player. He's absolutely shit. Playing Keane at the start is a joke as well. Like, it's embarrassing, it really is. And Dyche needs to be questioned with that. He really does. He's a good manager when he wants to be, but today he's made totally the wrong decisions in every single manner. It's absolutely embarrassing. And when I said Brighton didn't deserve the lead or whatever in the first half, they definitely do now. They deserve it all. We've had nothing bad a penalty, Claver a penalty that got cancelled in the second half. That's all we've had, nothing else. And people go, yeah, Brighton are a good team. Yeah, I know they are. It's not embarrassing the fact we're getting beat against Brighton. It's embarrassing the way we are. Brighton want us more because they're making more subs. 3-0 down, once again making another sub. Unlike Dyche, who's made fucking what? 3 shit subs. You know what I mean? And Dyche's a good player. I think he should have started. Why are we still starting young in 2024? I don't know. Yeah, people can tell me, oh yeah, Holgate's on to stop playing up and past. You've got Jake O'Brien who's still sitting there on the bench. We can't do fuck all now because he's used all of his subs incorrectly again. Sean Dyche, man. I just don't understand it at all, I don't. And it really fucking enrages me how fucking stupid that is. How O'Brien still hasn't been able to go on a pitch. Is he injured? Who knows, but he's on the fucking bench. Maybe on a bit. I don't know, I don't even know what's wrong with that, but overall you can tell the Chuckle brothers are on the pitch. It's just one of them on the pitch, Michael Keane. 9 fucking minutes of this shite again. Oh no. Could get worse. And it will get worse. That is an absolute shambles. Oh no. Oh no. I don't understand that, all this fucking shit team. I just can't believe it. It's checking a goal anyway, but doesn't matter this. No matter what, whether it's 3-4-0. It's absolutely embarrassing. Could have been different if that goal would have counted before, maybe, but all we've done first half is have ourselves offside all through the game first half. Second half, we've done absolutely nothing other than if Calvert-Lewin just decided to just stay on his feet and put the ball in the back of that net, then it's a different fucking game. Fella next to me, the Irish fella and his daughter, they never leave early and they've left early. It shows something about this performance. Shit. Hey, offside. Makes a big difference. Come on. Come on, Zay, lads. So how easy it is. Goes out the ball. Come on, fucking little kid. Come on. He needs to learn how to kick a fucking ball, Pickford, sometimes. Needs to buckle up. Ready for a long season ahead. Feel sorry for Tim, the only one who's 12. We're having a full fucking spell of the ball in the last fucking half an hour. Oh. Well, Mr. Numbers 3, if you're watching this, you are going to rattle me. I just know you are. Feel for Ndiaye as well, comes on in such a shit position as well. Like, when you're losing the way we are. Got a feel for him, such a good player as well. Oh, simple. Holgate's not there, invisible, mate. Invisible! Hey. Every single one of them players for us today, hang your heads in fucking shame. Not good enough at all. Absolutely fuming. It's the end of the year, I can't be arsed speaking anymore. Tell me about it. We haven't seen us in a while last year. So, if you all enjoyed as much as you could, like and subscribe. Brighton fans were alright today, to be fair to them, and fair dues selling out from when you're that far away, and obviously any passion though, didn't I? A little bit, but Brighton deserved the win. Second half, dominated the second half. First half, I thought Everton were the better team in the first half. We were the better team in the first half. Second half, didn't even have a touch of the ball, really, did we? Embarrassing. Fucking horrific. Have a good one. Mason Holgate getting brought on was just a fucking farce. Extra edition, my gammon stick. Oh, here we go.
That's what Everton does to you. This is what Everton does to you.
Get you fucking absolutely pissed.
shit bastard! Ah. He's gonna be sick. He's
No,
gonna
bro, fuck
be sick.
I want to shut the fact that they're so full. I'm not going to chuck it up. Like so full, that's it.
Round 2.
Loads in.
Round. Gangster.
Round 2.
Ding ding ding. Randy Orton.